friends, I am in Savera hotel room. So in this video I am going to give you a room tour. Come with me.
Once you enter the room, on one side is the bathroom and on the other side is the wardrobe. There is a locker provided in the wardrobe. There is a full-length mirror provided on the wall next to the wardrobe with lighting, and next to it is this stand to place luggage. A queen size bed with a very high headrest. A TV, a decorative wall mirror, there are lamps on either side of the bed and side tables as well, and you see this high chair with leg rest and one more desk near the decorative mirror, a table lamp and a chair for the desk, and this is the beverages unit. And a lamp, floor lamp. You can see the beverages, the kettle, water, cups, and under the drawer in the beverages unit you have this multi-purpose kit and holy books and the mini bar below that. Let's open the mini bar. Only one lone glass inside. Coming to the bathroom, a big mirror, sink and a glass partition, hair dryer, towels. That's it, all required for comfortable stay.
Hope you all liked watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.